In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate in the Lightroom mobile app. Sometimes you want two identical separate image files sitting side by side in your Lightroom library, maybe to try different edits, compare versions, or keep a clean original next to a creative remix. Here's the simplest way to do that on your phone or tablet. Start by launching the Lightroom app on your mobile device. If a sign-in screen appears, log in so you can access your library and any synced albums. Next, tap a photo in your library to open it. You can pick any image, something you've just shot or one that's already been edited. If you're planning a before and after comparison, decide whether you want to duplicate the current edited look or the original. Lightroom is non-destructive, so whatever you see on screen is what you'll export. Look down at the toolbar along the bottom. This is a good moment to make any quick adjustments you want carried over to the duplicate, such as exposure, color, or cropping. If you'd rather copy the unedited version, you can reset edits first, but otherwise just proceed. Now go to the top right and tap the share icon. On iOS, it looks like a box with an upward arrow. On Android, it's the standard share icon with connected dots. From the menu that appears, choose Save to Device, sometimes labeled Export to Camera Roll. If options pop up, keep the file at its original size for best quality and choose a format that matches your workflow. JPEG is widely compatible. DNG preserves raw data if that's what you started with. Once the export completes, head back to your main library view. Tap the Add Photos button, the blue plus with a camera or image symbol, and select the image you just saved from your device's gallery or camera roll. Confirm the import. Lightroom will add that file as a new independent image, not just a virtual copy, so edits on one won't affect the other. You should now see two identical files in your library. To stay organized, consider placing them in the same album, giving them clear names or flags, or stacking them in your preferred order. Keep an eye on storage, since true duplicates take up space on your device and in the cloud. That's it. You've created a clean, side-by-side duplicate in Lightroom Mobile, ready for alternate edits, client variations, or safe archiving.